Hello to all mga kagwapa o mga kagwapo dyan. Today, I will make a DIY bird feeder for $1. Worth of $1. Okay, so I have empty bottle of Coke, recycled plastic from takeout, and I have this $1 plate, plastic plate, and I have a drill. So the easiest way to make this step by step, so I want to drill this. Go. But guys, be very careful when using a drill. Okay. Then I gotta drill this on the center also. Well, try your best to drill on the center. Okay. Okay. So after I drilled the hole, so I have the string here. So now we gotta do steps by step. Alright. So make sure you have to tie the knot. That make sure that it won't come out. I mean, just do like this, like that, and palpak. Well, it's hard to grab when you do the small one. So right, okay, so this should be good, like that. So you grab that like that. See, now it won't come out. Okay, so next you put this together, the recyclable and then next is this one. Now you gotta do the same. Okay, it's loose. It's loose naman. Okay, there you go. Okay guys, you see? Nice. It's tight, firm. Okay guys? Now, gonna do the next step. Another string. Do you hear the birds? We got a lot of birds. See? They're hungry. The birds are hungry. Alright, so it's gonna be the same thing. You're gonna make sure that is, you put a knot, you tie the knot. And then the cover, so that way it don't get wet when it's raining. There you go. Now this one. Dapat mag-Bisaya na lang kung mag-Tagalog kay hirap man mag-English. Hindi, balik na rin kasi para hindi mag-stay ng water. Alright, so now okay guys, that's it. So now you can put the screw. I know you put the cup. Okay, and it's gonna be look like this. And then this string, you can put something, a wood, or you know, for big bird play. The birds always play. See, I forgot something. I gotta drill some hole here so the food can go down. I should drill this one first, but I forgot. That's it. Make sure you clean it because the plastic, the birds will eat the plastic. All right. Okay guys, so I cleaned it. So you see there's two holes here. Now let me put some food. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it. All right, that's my DIY bird feeder. Ayan mo pala. All right. So guys, that's it. So that's the simple way how to make a bird feeder for $1. And I would like to shout out Biyahe ni Henry. Guys, please subscribe his channel. And if you're new to this my video, just hit like and subscribe. Right, mga kagwapo, mga kagwapo dyan, thank you for watching. Hey, what's up mga gwapo dyan? On this video, I will make a bird feeder. Bakit na bird feeder yun? Bird feeder. Okay, basta lagyan na ng pagkain ng manok. Manok. lagyan ng pagkain ng ibon. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I will use a empty bottle of Coke and a recycle plastic. Oh, I'm sorry na broken lalab. Cuts. Cut mo muna yun. Bakit? Ang bilis naman na ito na. What the heck? Cut mo muna. Hey guys! Again, okay, I have another...
Take 3.
Okay guys, I'm gonna use... Right here, I have these materials to make the bird feeder. Stop it na lang.
Bird!
Bird feeder. Okay? Yung may panog ni